Unlock true versatility in your dental lab with the Gusrom GSM-5W wet milling machine. Engineered for precision and power, the GSM-5W is the ultimate solution for processing a wide range of materials. T features intelligent automatic calibration, ensuring accurate positioning and simplified operation every time. Whether you are milling delicate glass ceramics for high aesthetic restorations or cutting tough titanium columns for custom abutments, the GSM-5W delivers smooth surfaces and precise margins. Experience the perfect combination of speed, stability, and multi-material capability with Gusrom.